is 0, which would be along here. I'm looking for horizontal lines. Definitely not this one. So horizontal lines here. Maybe, could be either, I would say C or D. It's going to be undefined when x is equal to 0, so that's this. This could be undefined when x is equal to 0. Let's just check. Quadrant 1 has positive slopes, quadrant 2 has negative slopes. And that would work for here, because if, oh no, if they're both negative, I'd have a negative divided by a negative, so I'd have a positive. So that would be negative divided by a negative. So let's see, dy dx equals y over x at -1, -1. Oh, sorry, negative, this would be negative divided by a positive, so the slope would be negative. Two negatives, slope would be positive, yeah. So this is graph C. Okay, so that's kind of the thought process you have to go to. X times y, I know when either x or y is 0, the slope will be 0. So we already used A and C, so when either x or y is 0. So here's horizontals along the x-axis, horizontals along the y-axis. So I'm thinking this. When they both get bigger, it gets steeper. And when they both get smaller, it gets steeper. So that definitely would go with that one. So that's sort of the way you have to approach these. If worse comes to worse, you make a table of values for some certain points if you really cannot eliminate a graph. But what you want to do is use these tricks to help you with those matching ones. Okay, that's it.